Hi everybody, I would like to explain some more windows Mount Wizard 4 brings with. That's on the first hand, the message window. Quite simple, so all messages which might be informative for you are listed in that window. You can clear the window, but all messages are in there. And there's a second one, the keypad. You might realize it's exactly the keypad the 10 Marcon mounts offer with a color style close to Mount Wizard. So and that's available to all platforms, and hope that helps for you. Looking forward to see you back.